Question number 8, exercise 7.1, coordinate geometry chapter. Already we have seen till 7. So this is 8th question we are going. Find the values of y. Find the values of y, and there is a condition. It's given something. We have to find y. Y in the sense, in a point, this is one of the coordinate. That is y coordinate. That means ordinate we have to find. Okay. Which the distance between these 2 points is 10. Then distance between the 2 points is given what actually 10. So P point is there, and Q point we have. Both distance between P and Q, they are telling 10 units. They are telling 10 units. P point they are given very clearly 2 comma minus 3, and Q point 10 comma y. That missing y we have to find. That's it. Do you understand? Shall we? Right. So distance formula we know very well. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance they are given that PQ, which is equal to, we are talking about P and Q, okay. So x1, y1, x2 and y2. x2 value is what? 10 minus x1 value is 2, the whole square, plus y2 value is y, minus y1 value is minus 3. So minus and minus plus 3 whole square. So square on both sides, then only the root will cancel. Okay. Before that, what is PQ? 10. Apply it. So 10, and I am doing square on both sides. Okay. Square on both sides. So what I will get? 10 square. What I will get? 10 square, which is equal to 10 minus 2, 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square. Do you understand? Don't apply y plus the whole square. The formula a plus b whole square formula don't apply. It will take time. Here we don't have some other variable. Only y is there. Only one term with the y we have. There is no other term. So easily we can simplify how in the sense 10 square 100, 8 square 64 when I bring opposite minus 64, which is equal to y plus 3 whole square. Yeah. So 36, the square when you bring opposite root 36 equal to y plus 3. When we have a number like that, you can make like that. What it is? What it is? Root 36. What is the answer you said here? Plus or minus 6. Okay. So we have here plus or minus 6 equal to y plus 3. Understand? Send the plus 3 opposite. So what I am getting? Minus 3. Plus 3 when you send opposite, what I am getting? Minus 3. There we have plus or minus 6 equal to y. Understand? Now minus 3 plus 6 are minus 3 minus 6, both are y. Plus or minus in the sense it can be plus or minus. So I am giving both. Okay. Right. Here what I will get the answer? Plus 3 or minus 9 equal to y value. Understand? So any one can bring 10 or both can bring 10. Better you just check it one time. Where? Here. Okay. Here you check. Here you check. Here. We need what? 10. I'm right? 10 I'm right. Here we'll go. Here we'll go. 3 if you take 3 plus 3. 6 square. 36 plus 64. 100. Then 100 is there this side. Take minus 9. Give here minus 9 plus 3. Minus 6 square value. It's coming. Then both is applicable. Okay. So therefore, they asked to find y. That's what they are given in plural. Have you noticed it? Y values. They are given very clear. Then it's coming 2. Okay. They didn't ask to find your point Q. They asked to find y values. So don't write a point. You just write. Therefore, the required values, required y value, or y values are like that. Therefore, y values are 3 comma minus 9 or minus 9 comma 3. Like that you can complete. Either in 2 mark or 1 mark they will ask. Okay, right. Next we are going question number 9. Question number 9. Listen. So we have seen already in this type, but any point on x-axis they are given on that question. Which question number? Question number 7 we have seen, no, like that. But here it's question number 9. It's not given about x-axis, y-axis. They are given what is the point accurately. They are given the point accurately. This point Q, 0 comma 1 is equidistant. Equidistance in the sense what I told you, equal distance. The point Q making equal distance with what are the point? Let's see. The point P. Point P, what you have a distance, same distance it gives point R. Do you understand? Do you understand? The same question. The distance Q making equidistance to P to R. That means from Q to P 10 units, then Q to R also 10 units. That is the concept. Understand? That is the meaning equidistance. Do you understand? Okay, right. So we are going with this condition and we have to find the values of x. Also find distance QR, PR. Then this distance also we have to find. PR also we have to find, and QR. This is that Q. QR also. Then we have to find this QR and PR and x value. We have a 3 work here. Okay, this can come in 3 mark, or if you have a luck, it will come in 5. Shall we? Shall we go? Right. Okay. Names, everything is there. I'm going to use the given condition. They said that these two distances are equal. That means given condition. Given condition is PQ equal to QR. Am I right? Am I right? Q is equidistance from P and R. Then QP, QR. That's it. Do you understand? So it's a given condition. The formula I'm going to use here. The formula I'm going to use root. Again root. Sir, I don't want write root now. Here itself you can square on both sides. Then root will not come. Directly you can move like that. But I'm going step by step. Okay. Right. The P point. This I will take x2, y2. Here I am giving x1, y1. Here I am giving x1, y1. When I take PQ point you want to see. Okay, in the PQ, what is x2? 0. What is x1? 5 whole square plus. Okay, what is y2? 1 minus x1 value minus 3. Again minus, then minus and minus plus 3 square. Is it okay? Now QR point you want to see. You want to see QR point. So Q and R. Here there is a point that you want to see. What is x2? 0. x1 value x whole square plus. And y2 value 1 minus y1 value 6 whole square. Do you understand this? Is it okay? Now square on both sides for what? What I am squaring here? To remove the root. Why I want to remove root? If I remove root, then only x I can bring out, because we have to find x values now. So that I am removing root. Okay. Right. When I remove root, inside I have 0 minus 5 square 25 plus 1 plus 3 4 square 16 equal to 0 minus x squared value x square, and here 1 minus 6 minus 5 squared value 25. Do you understand this? And here plus 25 cancel, because in between we have equal. Then with the same sign, if you have anything, you can cancel. Okay. Now square when you send opposite, then root 16 equal to x plus or minus 4. Already I shown the situation. in the previous one. Okay, so the same question they asked, in the board exam. Okay, so plus or minus 4 equal to x. Those who are in 12th standard, for them they asked this. Okay, it's a very important question. They asked already. Here those who are not given plus or minus, they got only one value for x. Then distance also they got a 1. x1. Yeah. Oh, here y1. But when I used correctly. Huh? Oh, thank you. Thank God. So here you should be very careful, because if you are taking only one x, for finding PQ, you will be getting one distance. If I am taking a double x value, I will be getting 2 distance. So 2 case is there. Then we have to find 4 distance. But they asked to find how many distance? 2 distance. What are they? QR, PR. But there is R in both the case. R we have x comma 6. Now, therefore, R of x comma 6 equal to R of plus or minus 4 comma 6. That is, R can be plus 4 comma 6 or R can be minus 4 comma 6. Then I want to do 2 case. Case 1, case 2 for QR distance. For PR distance, case 1 and case 2. Do you understand? And this is the required value. So this is required x values. That's it. Now I'm going to find PR and QR distance. Shall we go? Right. So first PR I'm going. In the PR I have 2 case. Case number 1 and case number 2. So what is case number 1? Point P I have 5 comma minus 3, but point R I have 2. What? Okay. So 4 comma 6. Yes, very good. 4 comma 6 and minus 4 comma 6. 2 distance you should find for a PR itself. Distance PR you write better. Distance PR. Distance PR. Distance PR we are writing 2. Like that QR 2. Understand? Right. So PR equal to square root of. So this is my required x1, y1, x2 and y. 4 minus 5 whole square. 6 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. Then square root of what I am getting? Minus 1 square plus 1. 9 square 81. Root value I am getting root 82 units. This is what? PR distance. This is what? PR distance. Okay? Right. Come here. Here we have one more PR with a different point. x1, y1, x2 and y2. x2 value minus 4 minus 5 whole square. 6 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. Here I am getting what? Minus 9 square 81. Plus 9 square 81. Then how many 81? 2 times 81. Then what I will get answer? 9 root 2 units. This is one more PR. So PR I am getting 2 answer. I told you, no, I will get a 2 answer. Right, PR is over. Then I am going where? QR. So first they asked the QR. Okay, leave it, not a problem. So distance QR. Distance QR we are going to find. Understand? Make a case 1, case 2 here, case 1 and here case 2. Okay, shall we go now? Right. Square root QR, square root of, oh, I didn't write Q point, sorry. What is Q point? Here, 0 comma 1. Oh, that is 0. What is R point? 4 comma 6. and here q point 0 comma 1, r point minus 4 comma 6. Okay, now I'm moving with this is my x1 y1 x2 y2. Kindly mention that x1 y1 everything in pencil, then only you come to know in future what it is. That's what I'm writing here. X2 value 4, x1 value 0 square, 6 minus 1 square. So what I will get, 4 square 16, 6 minus 1 5, 5 square 25. When I add both, 41 units. So QR equal to root 41 units. There in the QR, same QR, right? QR, what is that? X2 value minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 square. Here I am getting same distance. Have you noticed it? 16, 6 minus 1 25 equal to root 41. Then for QR you write one answer. No need to write 2 times. 141 you write. Hence, here let me finish. Hence, PR equal to root 82 or 9 root 2 units. Okay, and QR equal to root 41 units. One more x value, and x equal to plus or minus 4. That's it. So this is the required solution, and put a box finally for this. Do you understand this? They will ask in 5 mark or in 3 mark. If you have a luck, it will 5 mark, or else it will in 3 mark. Do you understand? Is it okay? We have one more, right? Right. What is that? 10th question. What is the time? When the period will complete? 3? 10 will complete. Then this you take as homework. Okay. Example 4 we have in this model. Go through it and do it. Okay. Example 4. Copy this. What next question?